Hey again, guys. Right. These are such beautiful saws. This is one of the early Echo 701 VLs, so 1970, circa 71, early 70s saw. Actually, same displacement then as the really special 372, 50mm piston, 36mm stroke, and so nominal 70cc, knuckle guard. I love this arrangement on these saws. So top fill for the oil and fuel. This little dial on the top here is fully adjustable chain oiler, which is fantastic. The other little knob here, the plastic knob, is for adjusting the idle RPM if you want to, and decompression valve for the engine on the right, stop switch on top, thumb oiler, and this very clever throttle lock. So if you look at this design, which I absolutely love, I cannot stress how much I love this design and how they were carried forward on several of my favourite Echo models. Everything's on the top. Everything's adjustable from the top, and means that when you're filling, you don't have to put the saw on its side, potentially damaging the casings or marking the saw. It just stays on its base, fills up. Let me make sure that's off. These are a very high compression engine for the day. Really potent engine. Running original Echo solid nose guide bar, and I put on a brand new Oregon period. This is a 75 DX chain. Never cut with this saw. This is just, again, one which has been on display. Very early AV mounts, and the Japanese enamelling on their early saws, if the saw's been looked after, is spectacular. Just their paint finish. Right, how does this girl run? Very unusual throttle locks on the Echo saws. You pull the lever and pull that up, and it just locks in position rather than putting on a sprung-loaded thumb screw. Kill switch. Urgent engine, fantastic throttle response. So this girl is giving up, like I say, some 43, 42 years on the 272, or 372, sorry, not the 272, and let's just see how the throttle response compares. Oh! Put that back in there. So you see the 372 just climbs a bit quicker, a little bit more urgent, and it's a ferociously powerful saw. So, but this girl, for her day, oh my goodness! So, had a couple of people ask, how do the 701s cut? Well, this is one that I've never cut with, but she is up for sale, so I do have another 701 as well, which is rougher than this girl. This girl is just for a saw which is 51 years old. She's in staggering condition, both cosmetic and running. And let's see how she cuts on the same wood we just put the 372 through. This will be very interesting, how 40 years of development looks. So the differences are the Husky in that last demo was running a roller nose bar really late, and a real late or brand new 73 LPX full chisel chain. This girl is running a 50-year-old guide bar, circa 40-50 years old, solid nose, really good tip symmetry, and a brand new semi-chisel chain. So she won't be as fast, but how does she cut? Hey guys, so a beautiful performing vintage engine. She cuts so well and so progressive, and it'd be very interesting actually with an engine which is in such great mechanical condition as this, with such amazing compression. If this was fitted with a later roller nose bar and again a same full chisel 73 LPX setup or a still equivalent, any of the top end full chisel chains, running them back to back, and I bet the difference would be the 73 is still going to wedge it through top RPM, but I bet across a dozen cuts there'll only be half a minute in it, but just a couple of seconds a cut literally. So particularly on this size wood, it'd be very difficult to tell. So there you go, that's the spectacular 701. Well, this is the S as well, the Super. Although they're the same displacement, the S are the non-S version. This is 701SVL, and wow, just again, an absolute thing of beauty. So if some of you are wanting something really special for your workshop that looks just gorgeous to look at, beautiful handle wrap, this ball bearing clicking in place for the correct knuckle guard, felling spike in place, absolutely no damage around the saw, just the odd marks from normal wear and tear. This gorgeous torsion bar T-shape assembly with the AV mounts on the underside and at the back. If you want something special, I don't think you'll find another 701 SVL in as nice condition as this anywhere, and I've seen a few. Guys, thanks for watching. I'll show you once on a restart. Just got an amazing compression engine. Oh! Guys, thanks for watching. Hope that answers a few of the questions. And I hope you enjoy the video. So There really are some gorgeous, gorgeous period 70cc saws from the late 60s into the 70s. Stay safe, guys. Bye for now.